Hey everyone, Dave Cook, DeFranco Finishes coming at you. We are in a bathroom. And so one of the things we're doing today is prepping this wall for wallpaper. So you can see they got new tiles. They've done a good deal of damage over here. Some of the stuff we've already started prepping. So we filled all the holes around the rest of it. So now we're just gonna fill this one. So what we're doing, first off is just taking the scraper. I went around, this got mud on it, but went around and just kind of scraped all the edges to get the high stuff off. So next I'm just gonna get some of this mud and kind of pack it in that hole as best as possible. Since that's such a big hole, I'm gonna come back after this and I'm gonna put this mesh tape up. This is really hard with one person. And I'm just gonna put that one and I'll put another layer on here and then cut it off. And we'll put another layer of mud. And then this will have to dry overnight because it's so thick. And we'll come back tomorrow, we'll sand it, put another coat on here, let it sit, and then we'll be good to go. So we'll do the same thing here. We'll fill these holes and put mesh tape on there so we got something nice. If we're putting paper up, it's got a nice backing to it. It's not just gonna go poof. So you got questions about filling holes, getting ready to paint wallpaper, give us a call. And this is the stuff we're using. Just from Home Depot, just a bucket of pre-mixed drywall mud. Anyway, got questions about painting and wallpaper? Definitely give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you love the space you're in.